Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Toyota Sienna. This one has the V6 and it is running smooth, so I'll go ahead and take you for a tour. That's how the fog lights up front and the LED headlight surrounds. Now, sometimes those look like they're flickering, but that's just a refresh rate of my camera. It doesn't look like that to the human eye. It does have painted alloy wheels. And there's the additional seat. So the seat's 8. That seat actually inserts right there. Power lift gate. This is the SE finish out model. So it has a power rear lift gate, power doors. These two act as captain's chairs until that other seat is inserted. Go ahead and show you the VIN. I'll go ahead and do a startup sequence. So you can see it has 38,295 miles on this vehicle. Okay, then you're going to have your push to talk, trip computer, and your stereo controls, along with your lane keep assist. And over here you've got your ignition. And turn this down a little bit because sometimes that's noisy. You look down here, you're going to see that you do have heated seats in the front. And here's your USB and auxiliary inputs, excuse me. All right, and then you got your cup holders and additional power supplies. Come up above, you've got your shifter. Then you've got all of your comfort controls right here. And right here, you're going to see your audio. I'll bounce over to sources. You have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And then here's your disk drive. All right. And then we go to info, and there's your eco right there. Take you back to your menu. And if you want to see the backup camera, you just pop it in reverse. There's your backup camera. There's your glove compartment. You have cup holders also right here. Additional stowage down in there. And then up above, you're going to have your map reading lights and your controls for your power doors, for your lift gate, and your two side doors as well. And then here, if you drop this down, you've got your glasses holder. And if you have cock it, then you've got your conversation mirror. That about wraps it up for this Toyota in the inside. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here up front and center right there, and then there's an impact on the back passenger quarter panel. Right there. The airbags did deploy, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.